Hey y'all, this is Melvin once again out here at Miss Jay Barner's house. We're up here doing an attempted repair. Obviously you see we got it's kind of dark, it's got some dark shingles and some lighter color shingles up here, but this one in particular is a darker shingle, so it might be a little bit hard to see the crease, but the crease is there nonetheless, as you see there. And we're gonna go ahead and attempt the repair and see if this roof is repairable. So let's go ahead and get started. As you see, the nail has already went through the shingle there, so we see that that's not a good indication. It happened once again right here. As you see right here, I'm using the roof snake as well. We have a rip right here. The shingle, it's already ripped. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but we will take photos as well. Right, as you see right here, there's your rip from just trying to take that nail out right there, indicating that the shingle is brittle. If you can hand me that shingle, got the new shingle right here. Go. I'm going to use our trusted roof snake. Redo that one. back's starting to hurt. All right, as you can see, we got the new shingle in right here. And like I said, this shingle is a little bit darker, but we have a crease right here, crease right here, crease right here, showing right there. We'll take photos so that we can see, so that you guys can see as good as we can. I know it's got the shade on it as well, so it's a little bit darker. And then we also got right here behind us the other shingle, showing that just simply trying to do the repair, we have a rip right there, you know, in the crease of the shingle. So other than that, thank y'all.